2, 3.
Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to Soraya Sobreidad's Fierce Cooking Show. And I am Soraya Sobreidad, the Queen of Healthy Latin Cooking. And I am coming to you with a video that's been in the Soraya Sobreidad Secret Vault since 2015. That is when I recorded this video because I had just had my first facelift with Dr. Andrew Jacono. The first facelift was my entry to being pretty. I'm in the process of transitioning little by little from male to transgender female. So I've had some facial work done. I'm letting my hair grow, and the next couple of steps would be body work. So I've lost 80 pounds and I'm 57. I'm cool with the gray if I was gonna stay, totally male, but the fact that I want my hair to grow and I want to keep a long hairstyle and that I want to be more feminine on day to day as I move forward in my life. I knew in my mind that I was heading down the rainbow colored brick road, which was my transgender identity. So you can actually see just where I was coming from as an overweight person losing 80 pounds and then doing something about my loose skin, body dysphoria, and gender dysphoria. Now, my surgeon is Dr. Andrew Jacono, which recently he has done Dr. Paul Nassif from Botched. He did his facelift. So Dr. Jacono charges now 50 grand for that deep plane facelift, and I had face, neck, for under that. So his price has gone up a lot, and I think especially since he did Dr. Paul Nassif's facelift. So I'm lucky I got him when I got him, but I do want another lift again to adjust my neck and, honey. So anyway, enjoy the video. Talk to you soon. Bye. This is day 3. I got a bilateral brow lift, neck lift, facelift. Oh, and I had a lower eyelid lipoplasty. So I'm gonna say this: it's not painful, but uncomfortable. And because of the lower eyelid work, my vision is blurry. And because of the anesthesia and everything, I had a lot of nausea, very disoriented. I'm gonna give a couple of pointers. The Vicodin can give you constipation, which is a painkiller because you're gonna need it the first day especially. I only took it the first day. I didn't want to take it thereon. I'm taking Tylenol now, but the Vicodin can make you constipated. Watch out for that. So I'm doing a lot of prune juice, a lot of Metamucil, a lot of water, and you're gonna need to puree everything because any chewing is gonna hurt the temples and your face, and you don't want to risk the stitches moving. So really try to eat as many soft foods as possible. I was really looking forward to having the anesthesia out of my system. I'm very sensitive. I eat really healthy, so any toxins and stuff, my body really reacts to it. Just be aware that you're gonna go through a lot of emotional changes, physical changes. You're gonna be very disoriented. I was afraid to look at all the scars. I wasn't sure how many incisions I would have, and there's quite a bit. There's an incision behind my ear. There's an incision down the side here on both sides. The incision under my eyelid, if you could see. There's an incision, I have my neck lift, so there's all kinds of stuff going on. And it took a day to really analyze what took place on my surface. Now I have to love my face back to health. If you're living alone like I am, you're gonna really have to pay close attention and really make sure you take care of yourself. So that's doing peroxide, putting antibiotic ointment on, taking your medications on time, icing 20 minutes every hour that you're up, putting a timer for it, like really taking care of it. Because when I saw the black and blues at first, I was like, freaking out. I was like, I didn't know what to expect. And you really want your face to heal quickly. So eat a lot of pineapple, eat asparagus, take all the supplements the doctor suggests, walk around, don't lift anything heavy, don't bend down too much. And the one thing I'm going to say too about sleeping was really tough because you have to stay in a 45 angle position. So if you have a recliner, that would be best. I don't have one, but I have a click sofa that my friend found that I could angle it to a reclining position, and then your stitches can itch. So you gotta be careful. Like last night I found myself scratching. So you gotta be really, really mindful of all of this going on at the same time. Plus, you're going through a psychic change. Like you've taken this big step to improve your appearance. The swelling's going down, black and blue is going down. It's gonna take a while. Some areas may be numb, so don't freak out. So just be aware of all of that. If you make the decision to do any facelift, neck lift, any work for cosmetic reasons because you want to look your best, right? You want your self-esteem to be the best that it could be. If you go that route, just be aware that there's so much that you have to address. That it's great, but it's a lot of work. This is day 3. Alright, there you go. So, you know, the eyes were so much worse. Oh my god, they were so much worse. They've come down a lot. You know, there's still some swelling over here. You could see that I don't have my jowls, the marionette lines. And I still have a lot of swelling that's got to come down. I have incisions here, and then I have incisions down here and behind the ear and over here. So I'm not going to show all that yet because I don't want to take the band-aid off. I'll probably show it in a few days. Yeah. Bye.